This is a tutorial that you won't often find on the web, but is actually quite important. I've had many students who've had difficulties making their artworks, and although they were all stuck at different points, they had one thing in common: the way they held their pencil. Here's a quick list of mistakes. The thumb wrap, thumb tuck, the hook, the fanzi, short point, double finger push. Now you may think, who the hell cares? It's about how well you can draw. It's the end result that counts, right? True, but you'll get better end results and you'll get to them faster with a better grip. Compared to a piano player. Which one will play more easily? A piano player with proper hand positions or the one that's cramped up? You need to be flexible for that, right? Drawing is the same, but it's not as difficult as you think. Most students avoid this tip in the beginning, but once they tried it for a couple of days, they never look back. So what's the right way? This is. First, don't cramp up your hand. Don't make a fist. Gently let your hand rest on the side of your palm in such a way that you can easily use it to rotate your hand. Then gently push the pencil against your index finger while letting the pencil rest on your middle finger. Now as you can see, I only move my two fingers and my thumb while setting these lines. When you're drawing circles, don't draw them with your fingers like this, but draw them using your whole hand like this. That's why you need to use the side of your palm. For really big circles or straight lines, you can even use your shoulder. You'll find that you can actually draw it more perfect that way, instead of drawing the shape with your fingers. Now that sounds weird, using your whole arm instead of just your fingers, but give it a try. So here's a quick recap. Don't cramp up, be flexible and loose. Make sure there's enough pencil so that your hand's not too close to the paper. Draw from different positions and don't push too hard on your pencil. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time.